The sun rises over the savannah, awakening the sleeping camp. The fire of the night fades away, giving space to a new day. A man steps out of his hut, sunlight glowing on his chest, ready to face survival. His companion smiles under the golden light, a symbol of warmth and resilience. Together, they walk side by side, bound by strength and hope. Their necklaces of bone and shell carry the memory of ancestors. Children play before the hut, their laughter echoing across the village. Families gather, each one essential to the life of the tribe. Inside the huts, simplicity and warmth reflect an ancient way of living. The couple sits together, finding peace at the threshold of their home. Seeds are ground into food, every gesture a victory against hunger. Meanwhile, the man carves a spear, the tool of survival. Patient hands, the woman weaves baskets to carry life's essentials. The man repairs the shelter, strengthening protection against nature's trials. Children learn to walk barefoot on the grass of the savannah, their first steps into tradition. A woman balances a clay pot of water on her head, the daily burden of survival. A man strikes stones, coaxing sparks to ignite fire. Children blow gently to revive the fragile flame, the symbol of life itself. In the trees, women gather wild fruits, gifts of nature. Meat is sliced and dried, stored for the days of scarcity. Animal hides are worked into clothing, shields against heat and cold. Children play by throwing stones, a game that prepares them for adulthood. At night, the couple shares a meal by the fire, bound in simplicity and unity. Hands pass food between them, more than nourishment, a gesture of connection. Before leaving, he prepares his bow, each detail holding life or death. His companion ties his belt, an intimate act of trust. He walks into the savannah, alone against its vastness. Behind him she watches, torn between pride and fear. Hidden in tall grass, he waits, his eyes sharp with concentration. Every glance, every breath is that of a predator. In a sudden burst of strength, the spear flies. The antelope runs, swift as the wind, refusing capture. The hunter chases barefoot across the burning ground. Back in the village, his companion gathers healing herbs to protect her people. At last, the struggle ends with a single brutal strike. Blood stains the dry grass, a reminder of nature's law. He returns carrying the prey on his shoulders, a trophy of survival. She waits for him, relief and pride in her gaze. Together, they skin the animal, turning death into sustenance. Meat hangs under the sun, a promise of life for the days ahead. On the stones, the man carves the memory of his people. The woman paints her face with red clay, marking beauty and identity. The tribe gathers in dance, the fire beating like the heart of the community. Children mimic the sacred gestures, inheriting tradition. A sacred necklace is worn, carrying power through generations. The couple walks hand in hand across the savannah. A smile is exchanged, small yet eternal. A father teaches his son the art of the hunt. A mother passes to her daughter the skill of weaving. A necklace is given from father to son, a symbol of lineage. Knowledge, skills, and love flow from one generation to the next. Children imitate, repeat, and grow, the tribe's future secured. The family gathers by the fire, where stories and wisdom are passed down. A man carries his son on his shoulders, a promise of tomorrow. At sunset, the village glows, alive with heritage and unity. The fire slowly dies, the sky fills with stars, and the savannah whispers of eternity. Thus lived our ancestors. Follow for more content.